When darkness falls, reliable lighting can make or break your outdoor success. The best headlamp for hunting options provides powerful illumination, extended battery life, and comfort. These top-rated picks help hunters track game, navigate rugged terrain, and stay safe overnight. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sofirn HS21 Hunting Headlamp. The Sofirn HS21 Hunting Headlamp is a versatile and durable lighting solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its USB Type-C rechargeable battery ensures quick and convenient charging, making it reliable for long hunting, fishing, or camping trips. Constructed with robust AL6061 T6 aluminum alloy, this headlamp can withstand rough conditions, delivering long-lasting performance. The HS21 features 10 emitters, including flood, spot, and red lights, providing customizable illumination for various environments. Whether you need a wide beam to light a campsite or a focused spotlight to track game, this headlamp adapts seamlessly. A standout feature is its infrared induction system, allowing users to adjust brightness effortlessly with a simple hand wave, even when wearing gloves or handling gear. The combination of multiple light modes, sturdy construction, and user-friendly controls makes the HS21 a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Its compact design and lightweight structure further enhance comfort during prolonged use. Number 2. Sofirn 2000 Lumen Hunting Headlamp. The Sofirn 2000 Lumen Hunting Headlamp delivers powerful, adaptable lighting suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Equipped with 10 emitters, it provides floodlight, spotlight, and red light, offering optimal visibility in hunting, camping, or hiking scenarios. The headlamp includes a rotary switch for seamless light source selection and an integrated buck driver for stable performance. One of its most convenient features is the infrared sensor, allowing users to adjust brightness with a simple hand wave, ideal for situations when hands are full or gloved. The triple output capability lets the spotlight and floodlight operate simultaneously, providing both long-distance visibility and close-range illumination. High-performance LEDs, including a SFT40 emitter reaching up to 230 meters, make it suitable for tracking game in low-light conditions. Its USB Type-C rechargeable system enables quick charging via chargers, power banks, or laptops, and the battery is easily replaceable if needed. Number 3. Sofirn SFT40 Hunting Headlamp. The Sofirn SFT40 Hunting Headlamp is a T-shaped multi-light headlamp engineered for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who need flexibility and durability. Featuring 10 emitters, including floodlight, spotlight, and red light, it allows users to customize their illumination according to different scenarios. The headlamp incorporates a rotary switch for easy selection of light modes and a buck driver to maintain consistent output and battery efficiency. An infrared sensor enables hand wave control, simplifying brightness adjustments without touching the device, a practical solution when wearing gloves or handling gear. Powered by a single 18650 rechargeable battery via USB Type-C, the SFT40 ensures long-lasting use with quick recharge times. Its sturdy AL6061 T6 aluminum alloy construction provides excellent resistance to impact and environmental challenges, making it suitable for hiking, camping, fishing, and hunting. With a beam distance reaching 230 meters from its high-performance SFT40 LED, this headlamp balances near and far illumination effectively. Number 4. Sofirn Infrared Sensor Hunting Headlamp. The Sofirn Infrared Sensor Hunting Headlamp is an advanced, user-friendly lighting solution designed for outdoor activities such as hunting, fishing, and camping. It features versatile triple output with spotlight, floodlight, and red light, and the unique ability to operate the spotlight and floodlights simultaneously for maximum illumination. High-performance LEDs, including the SFT40 emitter, provide a beam distance of up to 230 meters, ensuring clear visibility in low-light conditions. The headlamp's standout feature is the hand-wave control via an infrared sensor, allowing effortless brightness adjustments even with gloves or dirty hands. Its convenient rotary switch makes toggling between different light modes simple, and the USB Type-C rechargeable battery offers easy, efficient power replenishment from chargers, power banks, or laptops. Users can also replace the battery if needed. Number 5. Sofirn HS20 Hunting Headlamp. The Sofirn HS20 Hunting Headlamp is a high-performance lighting tool designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with dual emitters, a XHP 50.2 for long-range lighting, and a Samsung LH351D for close-range flood illumination, it offers versatile beam profiles for hunting, camping, or hiking. Users can adjust the emitters independently or simultaneously to suit various scenarios. The headlamp features dual switch indicators for seamless mode selection between high, middle, and low settings, along with a battery level display. USB Type-C fast charging allows a 2.5-hour recharge for a 3300 mAh 1860 battery, eliminating the need for constant battery replacement. Built with durable 6061 aluminum and boasting IPX8 waterproofing, the HS20 is designed to perform in harsh weather conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.